Hello friends and hello my students. Welcome you all again to my YouTube channel. I'm Yogaraj Joshi from Baroda High School ONGC secondary section. Today's my subject is Sanskrit of Standard 9th English Medium, and today we will continue chapter number 6, Sarvam Charutaram Vasante. Everything is beautiful in spring season, remaining slokas. So let's start learning. Sarvam Charutaram Vasante. Everything is beautiful in spring season. In last video, we were discussed about two slokas of this chapter. We have studied in two slokas about spring season, and we have seen that spring season brings beautiful changes to the nature and in human being. For example, spring season gives beautiful flowers to the trees, lotuses to the lake, fragrance to the wind, desire of love to the woman, and as well as spring season makes beginning of the evening happy and days are beautiful. Now let's see the remaining slokas. First, I will read this sloka. कर्णेषु योग्यं नवकर्णिकारं चलेषु नीलेष्वल्केष्वशोकं शिखासु पुष्पं नवमल्लिकायाः प्रयान्ति कान्तिं प्रमदा जनानां कर्णेषु योग्यं नवकर्णिकारं चलेषु नीलेष्वल्केष्वशोकं शिखासु पुष्पं नवमल्लिकायाः प्रयान्ति कान्ति प्रमदा जनानां. Pramada Jana means young ladies, young woman. Prayanti Kanti attain beauty by Navakarnika flower in ears. Nileshu Alkeshu Ashokam. Nileshu Alkeshu Ashokam. Nileshu means in black hair. Ashoka flower by Ashoka flower. Sikhashu Pushpam. Okay, on the top notes by Navamallika flower means jasmine flower. Let's see the first word, which are Sandhi word. Nileshwalakeshwa Shokam, and we will distinguish this word. It becomes Nileshu Alkeshu Ashokam. Okay, let's see the meaning of these words. First word is Karneshu, in ears. Karna means ear. Okay, Karna means ear, and Karneshu means in ears. Here, Shu is the suffix of Saptami Vibhakti, like Rameshu, Vidyalayeshu, Janeshu, etc. Next word is Yogyam. Yogyam means suitable. Yogyam means suitable. Navakarnikaram. Navakarnika flower means Nava means fresh. Nava means fresh. And Karnika flowers means oleander flower. Karnika flower means oleander flower. In Gujarati, Karennu full. Okay. Next word is Chaleshu. Chaleshu means in fluttering hair. In fluttering hair. In fluttering. Chaleshu Nileshu. Nileshu means in black. Alkeshu. Alka means hair. Okay, in black hair. Chaleshu Nileshu Alkeshu. In fluttering black hair. Ashokam. Ashoka flower. Okay, Ashoka flower. Next word is Shikhashu. Shikhashu Pushpam. Shikhashu means on the top notes. Pushpam means flower. Navmallikaya. Navmallika flower means Nava means fresh and Mallika flowers means jasmine flower. Navmallika means new fresh jasmine flower. Okay, when young ladies wearing jasmine flowers on top notes, then attain beauty. Next word is Prayantikanti. Prayantikanti means attain beauty. Pramadajana. Okay, Pramadajana, we were discussed about this word. Pramadajana is a plural noun word, but the meaning for young ladies. Okay, young ladies. So when young ladies wearing beautiful flowers in flowers of oleander in ears, Ashoka flower in fluttering hair, and jasmine flower on the top knots. Their hair, these all freshly bloomed flowers attain beauty to them. Let's see the whole translation. Navkarnika flower in ears, Ashoka flower in black fluttering hair, and Navmallika flower on the top knots. Ladies attain beauty by all these flowers. Let's see the slok number 2. गुरूणि वांसांसि विहाय तूर्णं तनूनि लाक्षारसरञ्जितानि सुगन्धिकाला गुरुधूपितानि धत्ते जनः काममदालसङ्ग गुरूणि वांसांसि विहाय तूर्णं तनूनि लाक्षारसरञ्जितानि सुगन्धिकाला अगरु धूपितानि धत्ते जनः काममद आलस अंगः. Let's see the first Sandhi words. First Sandhi word is Sugandhikala Garudhupitani, and we will design this word. It becomes Sugandhi Kala Agaru Dhupitani. Next Sandhi word is Kamamad Alas Anga. Kamamadalas Anga, and we will design this word. It becomes Kamamad Alas Anga. Okay. Now let's see the word which are compound word. Compound means samas. Here two samas used here. First samas is Sashti Vibhakti and the second is Tritiya Vibhakti. Laksha rasa ranjitani. Lakshayaha rasa laksha rasa. Sashti Tatpurush samas goes like Sitayaha pati Ramaha. Sitayaha is here, Lakshayaha as well as Sitayaha means Sitayaha pati Ramaha. Okay, सीता के पति राम है. इसी तरह लाक्षायाः रस, लाक्ष का रस, लाक्षा रस, षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास. एंड लाक्षारसेन by लाक्षारसेन रंजितानि मीन्स पेंटेड. Okay, लाक्षारसेन painted, लाक्षारस रंजितानि तृतीया तत्पुरुष समास. Let's see the meaning of these words. Here first word is Guruni. Guruni means heavy. Guruni means heavy. And Laghu means small. And in thin, Guruni means heavy. Vasansi. Vasansi means clothes, garments. Vasansi means garments. भगवत गीता में भी श्लोक दिया है वांसांसी का. Guruni Vansansi. Guruni means heavy and Vansansi means clothes, garments. Vihaya. Vihaya means living up, abandoning. Okay, abandoning. In the spring season, due to ecstasy of love, people body feel lethargic, like they wear thin clothes and okay. Guruni means heavy, Vasansi means clothes, garments, Vihai means living up and abandoning. Next word is Turnam. Turnam means quickly. Turnam means quickly. And Tanuni means thin clothes. Okay, Tanuni means thin clothes. And Laksharasa Ranjitani. Laksharas means sealing wax. Laksh means sealing wax. and sealing wax laksharasa ranjitani, painted with sealing wax, painted with sealing wax, dyed with lac, dyed with lac, dye किया हुआ. Okay, next one is सुगंधि काला गरुधूपितानि, सुगंधि काला गरुधूपितानि, full of fragrance of black agaru, a kind of sandalwood. Okay, sugandhi kala garudhupitani, full of fragrance of black agaru, kind of sandal. Dhatte, dhatte means wearing. Janah means people, and kama mad alasa anga, kama mad alasa anga, having a body feeling lethargic, feeling lethargy due to ecstasy of love, due to ecstasy of love, ecstasy of love. In the spring season, due to ecstasy of love, people's body feel lethargic. They like to wear thin clothes having painted of sealing wax, full of fragrance of black agaru. Okay, they abandoned wear heavy clothes. Abandoning heavy clothes. Let's see the whole translation of this look. People having body feeling lethargic due to ecstasy of love, they abandoning the heavy clothes and wear thin clothes, painted with sealing wax full of fragrance of black agaru. Okay, now here we will stop, and next video we will discuss about slok number 5, remaining slok number 5 and exercise. Okay, thank you students.